In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out on Facebook. Logging out might seem like a small action, but it's an important habit, especially if you ever use Facebook on a shared or public device, like a library computer, a friend's phone, or a work laptop. Staying signed in on a device that other people can access can put your privacy at risk, so knowing exactly how to log out is really useful. Let's walk through the process step by step. I'll describe it in a simple way so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open Facebook and make sure you're on the main page where you can see your newsfeed, posts, or your home screen. Now, look toward the upper right hand corner of the page. You should see your profile icon. Depending on your version of Facebook, this might appear as your profile picture in a small circle, or as an icon that represents your account. It's usually located near the notifications, messages, and other menu icons at the top. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. When you click it, a small menu will drop down. This menu gives you quick access to your profile, settings, and account options. Take a moment to let it fully open so you can see all the available choices. In this drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Log Out. It's often toward the bottom of the list, and it might be written as Log Out or Log Out of Facebook, depending on the version you're using. Once you've located it, move your cursor over that option. When you're ready, click Log Out. After you click, Facebook will close your current session and return you to the login screen. You'll know you've successfully logged out if you see the page asking you to enter your email or phone number and password again instead of your newsfeed. If you share your device with others, it's a good idea not to save your login details in the browser, so you'll always have to sign in manually. This adds an extra layer of privacy and keeps your account more secure. That's all there is to it. By clicking your profile icon in the upper right corner and then choosing Log Out, you can safely end your Facebook session anytime you're done using it.